Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea using an electric kettle. First, always start with fresh, cold water for the best taste. Fill your electric kettle, ensuring the water level is between the minimum and maximum fill lines. Next, select the ideal temperature setting for your specific tea. Different teas require different temperatures to brew perfectly, so this step is crucial for a delicious cup. Once your water reaches the desired temperature, it's time to prepare your tea. Place your tea bag or loose-leaf tea into your favorite mug. Carefully pour the hot water directly over the tea leaves. Be sure to steep your tea for the recommended duration. This usually ranges from 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the tea type, to extract the full flavor without over-extracting. After steeping, remove the tea bag or strain the loose-leaf tea to prevent it from becoming bitter. Now is the time to customize your drink. Feel free to add milk, sugar, honey, or a slice of lemon according to your preference. Finally, let your tea cool for a moment before taking that first delightful sip. Enjoy your perfectly brewed cup of tea. To keep your electric kettle in top condition, always unplug it after each use. Regularly descale your kettle to prevent mineral buildup, which ensures it heats water efficiently and extends its lifespan. This simple maintenance helps your kettle perform its best for years to come. Also, for more great tips and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.